Hi everybody, welcome to my Amazon Live. I am in Miami, Florida. My name's Celia and it's actually Friday night. I decided to stay home and I wanted to give you guys an unboxing of what I've recently purchased from Amazon and also some of my favorite finds that I use pretty much every day. I have a lot of packages. I'm probably gonna have to do a second live as well because I have a bunch of other things that I couldn't fit in the carousel. So if you look below, you'll see a carousel of items, and I've linked them all as we go through them so they're easy for you to purchase. You could also look on my Amazon storefront for anything else that you might need, as well as I post a lot on my social media. Everything's just under my name, Celia, and you can always message me. I'm happy to help you. Just send me a message and I'll send you a link for something. I'm gonna start the chat with just a hi. Let me see how I send. Okay, so if this is the first time you've been watching one of my lives, I am a real estate agent in Miami, Florida, and I just love purchasing from Amazon. I love all things Amazon. I think it is an amazing company, not only for shopping, but also just for everything they do. But we'll get started. I'm gonna highlight the first item. And this is actually something for your car. I had to open some of them so that I could show you them in the correct order, but I haven't taken them out of the package. So it's a 6-pack of these little daisy flowers. This is what it comes in this type of package. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it open so we can see it together actually. So they go for your air conditioning like vents in your car. I just thought they were so cute. I got the white ones. There's a bunch of different colors. I'll take them out so you can see them. So it comes in a little plastic bag. And then these are the air freshener strips. They come in like a little pouch with a opening. It says lavender, peach, and shower scent. So if you can see them, these are the ones that it comes with. And like I say, they just clip onto your air conditioner vent in your vehicle. So I have an SUV and I have to drive around clients, and I just like driving in general if I need to go somewhere for work. So here you go. There's 6 of them, and like I say, they come in all different colors, and then they have the little clamps to hook them on the front of the air conditioner vents in your car. So here's everything that comes in them, and the back of it is like this. So I will probably put this together this weekend, and then I'll try to post on social and also my Amazon storefront what they look like in my car. But I just thought they were cute little air fresheners, and there's 6 daisy flowers. So I think I'll probably try the peach flavor. I think that will be nice. But that's the first item. Welcome to the live if you're just joining. If you don't follow me already, if you click the follow button, you'll get alerts every time I go live, and also you'll be able to keep track of my Amazon storefront. I have some unboxing, and like I say, I'm probably gonna have to do a second live. It is a lot of new things that I found that I thought were really cute that I wanted to get, as well as some of my favorites. So the second item is also for your car, and These are actual Kleenex or tissue refills. And I've linked the next item which goes in your car, which you use these for. I ran out of them, so I wanted to order more. So this is the refill. I'll show you their specific size. So that's why I needed to get these. They fit for above your windshield. And they're the correct size, so they're car tissues. And it comes in a 6-pack. And I will link the next item. So that's these tissues go inside the car tissue holder. So I already have that in my car, and I just ran out of the tissues, so I ordered some more refills. It's a really great thing to keep in your car. It's very convenient. So the next item is jewelry, and I really don't order that much jewelry from Amazon, but I saw these and I thought that I would try them out. I really just in general don't wear much jewelry, but they looked very cute. So they come in this packaging here. Let me move some of these boxes down. Okay. Okay, so it comes in this packaging like this. And they're the gold teardrop clip earrings. They come in a very nice velvety pouch. It's like a gray color. And it comes with some care instructions. In order to keep your lovely jewelry in perfect condition, recommend you avoid swimming, showering while wearing the jewelry. Avoid contact with liquids and chemicals such as lotion and hairspray. Okay. And then here is the little bag. Let me take them out so you can see them. They're dainty, small, chunky earrings. They are clip-ons. So if you go ahead and follow me, I will post a picture on my storefront once I put them on, as well as my social, so you can kind of see better what they look like. I'm going to take them out because I'm opening them for the first time with you guys. Let's see. So they're like teardrop almost, if you can see. I don't know how the light looks right now, but, and then they are clip-ons. They're very lightweight, which I like because I really don't like the heavy earrings. I normally just wear like little studs. So I think that these will be nice, that they're not going to be extra heavy, but also very elegant. So if you're looking for some trendy new gold earrings, these are like a teardrop, and you might have seen them. They seem like they're trending, pretty popular right now. Okay, the next item is a little jewelry box. I also haven't opened it yet, but I'll show you. We can open it together. Comes in a box like this with some plastic wrap around it. It's a square jewelry box in the color Sage Velvet. This would make a really nice gift if you need to get somebody, and you could even put the earrings inside of the little jewelry box. And also perfect for traveling. You want to have like all of your jewelry organized. This is what the box, box looks like. It says gifts that give back. We cultivate a spirit of generosity with our products that give back. Everything we offer is tied to a charitable cause. So when you purchase something from our site, You'll be doing your part to improve the lives of thousands. And this is from a company based in Los Angeles. And there's care instructions here, and it says travel jewelry box. Protect what matters most even on the go. Our travel jewelry box is fitted with removable dividers to adjust the storage space. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. I'm gonna take it out of the box. Uh-oh, there's more cardboard. So it has like a gold zipper, and I got the sage one. It does come in different colors, as you can tell from my sofa is like a gray. My outfit, this is actually linked in my storefront, is gray. Pretty much all of my aesthetics are neutral colors, so of course I would pick the sage jewelry box, but feel free to pick a different color if you're more into brighter colors. So it has different compartments, so you can put rings, earrings, necklaces, whatever you need. And then there's also here for you can put like hanging jewelry. So I think this is a great jewelry box for traveling. I will post as well some photos and videos of what it looks like once you get some items in here. Like I can put these little earrings now in here. So I think this would be a really great gift for somebody. And then here is the compartment where you can put hanging necklaces. There's the little pouch here that opens up. It's like an elastic. And then you can secure it here. There's a mirror. You can take this little plastic piece off. There's also a cleaner here, a little cleaning towel. And then you can put your rings here and then just zip it up so nothing falls out. And this is the beautiful sage color. So I have linked that here. Next up, so if you are into taking some sort of greens, whether it's green juice or daily